Tucked away on a gorgeous tree-lined street in Mount Lebanon, you will find this updated, breathtaking Cape Cod. Hi, I'm Lauren Coulter with the Coulter Castillo Group at Piatt Sotheby's International Realty, and welcome home to 120 Woodland Drive. You will fall in love with the professional and beautiful design of this home. So come on in, let's go check it out. You will feel at home as soon as you walk through the front door. The welcoming living room greets you with a warming fireplace, large bay windows, and a gorgeous color palette. The living room flows seamlessly into the dining room with these charming original corner built-ins and beautiful chandelier. The kitchen has been updated with granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, a beautiful tile backsplash, a lovely dining bar, and a wine cooler. From this kitchen, you will have access to a fully fenced-in private backyard with both an enclosed 3-season room and an open deck for additional dining and entertaining. Additionally, on the first floor, you will find a spacious master bedroom, and I just love this ensuite bath. This is what I meant by professionally designed. It is exquisite. Look at the gorgeous wallpaper, custom cabinetry and fixtures, water closet, and tiled walk-in shower. Everything coordinates beautifully. I feel like I'm in a spa. Right around the corner is a guest bedroom with another full bath. On the second floor, you will find an oversized bedroom with sitting area and walk-in closets. The lower level game room will blow you away. It has been fully remodeled from top to bottom with no detail overlooked. You will enjoy the beautiful custom kitchenette, custom built-in office cabinetry, ample storage, brand new half bath, and a cheerful laundry room. The homeowners made some additional amazing updates, including new windows throughout, a new HVAC system, new hot water tank, gorgeous new hardware and fixtures throughout, as well as an exterior irrigation system. Located in the beloved Hoodridge neighborhood of Mount Lebanon, this home is steps away from Foster Elementary School and Rockwood Park. This home provides for quick access to Fresh Market, the Galleria, Trader Joe's, Whole Foods, and South Hills Village. Thank you for touring this lovely home with me today. If you'd like any additional information or if you have any questions, please reach out or visit our website, coultercastilliorealtors.com. Again, I'm Lauren Coulter with the Coulter Castillo Group at Piatt Sotheby's International Realty.